Hey, welcome to Frames of Mehar. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mehar. I share little pieces of my life, travel, and random city adventures, just like today's. So, I had zero plans, literally just stepped out and decided to hop on a random tram. While walking, I passed through Chinatown. It was so vibrant. Red lanterns, neon signs, and delicious smells everywhere. Dumplings, noodles, bubble tea shops, total food heaven. But I didn't stop, just kept walking. Missed the tram, waited for the next. No hurry, no stress. I took the next tram, then came the announcement, free tram zone ends here. So I was like, okay, time to jump off. The view there was really nice. I saw this huge modern-looking building, turned out to be a museum. Looked interesting, so I went inside. And oh, the steps were made of glass. I was honestly a bit scared walking on them. Inside, I saw a bunch of paintings, and honestly, I felt like I could paint some of those too. Found a small park nearby, very peaceful, green and quiet. Took a slow walk, and somehow that led me to the Yarra River. Yarra River. The river view was stunning, water shimmering, bridges lit up, and the city just glowing. Bridges lit up, and the city just glowing. I stood there for a while just soaking it in. Then I spotted DFO. So of course, I went inside. Bought shoes, because there were so many offers and I couldn't resist. By the time I came out, it was night. The city lights, the vibe, everything felt magical. Took the tram back home, tired but super happy. Just a simple, cozy day. Sometimes, the best days are the unplanned ones. No to-do list, no schedule, just me, walking, exploring, and letting Melbourne surprise me. Thanks for watching and being here with me on Frames of Mehar. If you enjoyed this chill little journey, feel free to like, comment, or just say hi. See you in the next one. Take care, bye.